And welcome to RentRedi. Today I'm going to show you how to set up an online rent charge that your tenant can pay from their mobile app. On your RentRedi dashboard, go over to the rent section and click the plus sign to create a charge. Here you can select the charge type. We'll set up a rent charge today. Select the property and unit from which you would like to start collecting rent. You can also indicate where you would like to book the income to and enter a description of the charge. Click Continue. Indicate who can view the charge. If this is a charge just for your records, you can select Only Me so that the charge isn't viewable by the tenant. However, since this is a rent charge, we'll keep current tenants selected. Click Continue. Here you'll enter in the charge details, such as the rent amount, lease dates, and the frequency of the charge. Let's say our rent is $800 a month, our lease starts May 1st and ends April 30th. We'll charge this every month since it's a rent charge and indicate that the charges are due on the first of the month. However, if you have a different rent due date, you can select that here. Here you can preview all of your charges before saving. You can change any of the due dates, delete, or duplicate charges if needed. Let's say, for instance, a tenant has already paid May rent. Click the three dots, select Delete, and the charge will be deleted. Review all of your charges, and then click Save. Now all of your rent charges are set up for the rest of the year.